Hey, Pete. I'm working on a college application, and it says I gotta tell them about myself.
More like sell yourself. It's the worst.
You got any advice?
Well, take me. Hi, I'm Peter Parker. I'm 25 years old, I have a bachelor's degree in biophysics, and I'm in love with the greatest woman ever.
Humble brag.
Who is the best journalist in this city.
Word. Go, MJ.
I try to live up to the example set by the other greatest woman ever, my Aunt May.
Humble brag again. Damn.
And a while back, I was bitten by a radioactive spider and got superpowers.
I can't put that in my essay.
Hey, I ran the track as I drive the train. I've used my powers to help the city and stop a lot of people who wanted to hurt it. Like my mentor, Dr. Otto Octavius. His lab got shut down by an old colleague, Norman Osborn. Otto retaliated by releasing a bioweapon. In the end, I managed to stop Otto, but not without great cost.
That was pretty good. But I'm no Peter Parker.
Exactly. You're Miles Morales. You're 17 years old and a student at Brooklyn Visions Academy. What else?
I guess I help out with my mom's work in Harlem every now and then. She's Councilwoman Rio Morales. And there is a girl I like who's spectacular and inspiring, and I think is one of the best artists in the city. And I also got bitten by a radioactive spider that gave me superpowers. I learned how to be a Spider-Man from the OG. But I learned how to be a hero from my dad. He was killed by Martin Lee in the City Hall bombing. The good I try to do every day is the good my dad planted in me. But it's been hard. Even with superpowers, sometimes we can't save the people we love, no matter how hard we try. A hero is someone who doesn't give up, though. And I don't plan to. I don't know, man. I can't talk about me without talking about Spider-Man.
Sure you can. You just have to... Yeah, why don't you just start another draft?
We're ready. Are you good?
Promise me something.
Anything?
If this doesn't work, take me out.
It'll work.
I don't have a lot of time left. I want a chance to say goodbye.
I'm not going to lose you. I will never let you go.
We have a bell for a reason. Take your seats.
I'm here!
Good morning, class. We have a new teacher joining us today.
Hi. My name's Pete. Mr. Parker. And we are all very lucky today, because this is physics class, and physics is awesome. Ever wonder how some insects and birds, reptiles can just run right across a pond? 2 words: surface tension. Bathroom? Okay. Now, surface tension is all about cohesion. Now, in equation form, surface tension, gamma, can be calculated as the force exerted parallel to the surface of a liquid. F divided by the length, L, of the line over which the force acts. Can anybody?
I need your help.
Mr. Morales, is it? Are you sure this isn't something you can handle yourself?
I'm sure.
Okay, class. Read chapter 4 or 5 or whatever. Miles, I need this job. If the principal comes back and sees I'm gone, I'm gonna get fired.
I know, but you gotta see this.
Marco, why today? I'm so getting fired. Principal Evans already hates me for being late this morning.
Bro, I told you to be on time.
It's fine. I'll be back before we know it.
Good, because I had my college application review with the school counselor.
Oh, you finished your essay?
Haven't started.
Oh, well, let's get to the city and take care of Marco quick then. Hey, MJ.
Hey guys, you might want to get downtown fast.
Swing it through Brooklyn. Jameson had you on the ground for the bugle?
Still can't believe old Triple J is your new boss.
Really loving the new regime.
You'll whip him into shape in no time. So, what's up with Marco? Been years since our last showdown.
According to witnesses, he was running down Broadway telling nonsense. They say he seemed angry and paranoid, delusional. He just exploded.
Man, hopefully we can calm him down.
I've seen people lose control like this. Be careful.
Good thing there too, Spider-Man now.
Good luck.
Thanks, MJ.
Might need a new tech we've been cooking up too.
No way. They're untested. Really prototypes.
But you brought him, right?
No comment.
Look out! You okay?
Yeah, but I think we found him. Marco!
That's Sandman?
MJ wasn't kidding. We gotta help him before he hurts someone. Or himself. Open wide!
What's the plan?
Keep him busy. I got an idea.
Where are you? What was that?
I'm just running back right now.
Supervisor, or else.
That does not sound good. Almost there. How you holding up? Miles? Where's Miles called?
Man, am I getting a spell?
Hey, you're just cutting class. I abandoned students during a citywide emergency.
Yeah, you're screwed.
Sandman! I always hated that name.
I know you're angry at me.
This has nothing to do with you. Leave me alone!
I want to help you. But it's gonna hurt first.
Guess he wasn't happy to reconnect.
Yeah, he's not really the nostalgic type.
Let me go, or I'll kill you.
He's not listening. We gotta turn it up a notch. Ow! He hates water. His shoulder's already wet.
Bet he's not a big fan of electricity then either.
Never mind. Go for his shoulder. Yeah! Felt that all right. We need more water though.
I'll hit him with wet while I get sparky.
I'll keep the water flowing in the meantime.
Spider-Man?
I just wanted to live normal, like everyone else.
This isn't the way, Marco.
For a guy like me, there is no other way.
This is getting out of hand. Pete, what happened? I ended up outside. Just keep going up, I'll meet you at the roof. This water tank's our only shot. Working. Speedy, keep it up. Only way is up. All this destruction from one guy. Where are you, Pete?
Get back here.
Stay inside! Guess he's busy. It's gonna be a long day if we don't get that water. Keep it moving, Miles.
I just wanted a regular life.
You can still have one!
It's too late now.
Oh, man! Why can't Marshall just make sandcastles instead? Ma, everything okay? I'm with Pete.
I know. You're on every channel. I'm heading downtown to help coordinate resources at the tribe. He's Yankee covering for you at school.
He is, but I got this meeting with my counselor later, and the principal thinks that I'm
Listen, I can talk to your principal, but New York needs you right now.
the coolest mom ever.
And please, be careful. I can't leave.
Like Ma said, can't take New York down.
I don't care.
Wish I could try about this for my essay. Get into any college I wanted. Or Spider-Man would. Right. Brainstorm later, Miles. Okay. Let's go, Spider-Man! Almost there! Water tank's ours! Actually, it's his now! Not for long! Time for a field trip! Hey, sorry! What'd I miss? He's trying to eat me! Let's get my drink instead! Did we do it? Nope. Pete! Break out the new toys! The suit's last software patch wasn't stable, but here goes nothing! Whoa!
your sin.
Wanna know?
Any ideas?
Class is back in session.
Orko's storm is generating a lot of electricity! What happens to the surface tension of sand if you turn up the voltage? Oh, you're right. Right back to Dr. Mini. Plus, you absorb enough energy. I'll shoot it right at it. You want me to get hit by lightning? Can you handle it? How exactly are you gonna redirect the lightning bolt? Like you said, you gotta break out the toys. Told you I didn't like this. Jack it in. Now or never, Spider-Man. Time to move.
I will you off.
Because we promised to protect this city. We got it. We're good.
I have sand everywhere.
Marco, it's gonna be okay.
It's been okay for a long time.
You need help, all you have to do is ask.
You're the ones who are gonna need help when they come for you.
You grow slow in your old age, Sergei. A fate you will not share.
I've been in your shadow for hours.
is nothing. Pathetic. I asked for an equal. And this is what you find.
Sir, perhaps a new hunting ground.
Light the fires. The great hunt begins.